In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Trello cards. By the end, you'll know how to upload a picture to a card, make it the cover, adjust how it looks on the board, and manage or delete the image if you need to. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello. From the home page, go to your board's view. This shows all the boards you have access to, so pick one you already use. For this walkthrough, I'll open a board with a simple to-do list. Inside the board, choose a card you want to enhance with a visual. I'll use a card called Wash the Car as an example, but you can pick any card you like. Open the card, and in the card's sidebar, you'll see the attachment option. Click Attachment to start adding your image. Now choose a file from your computer. Select a picture that represents the task clearly, like a relevant photo or a mock-up. Common formats like JPG or PNG work great. After you select your file, Trello will upload it and show it in the card's activity area. Give it a moment if the file is large. Once the picture has finished uploading, close the card with the X in the top corner so you can see how it looks on the board. Back on the board, you'll notice the image appears on the card itself. This is Trello's cover feature, which helps you spot important cards at a glance. Click the card again to continue customizing the image. Inside the card, look for the cover or image icon to open the image options. This is where you control how the picture appears on the front of the card. Choose a size format that suits your board. If you want a subtle header style look, pick a smaller cover option. If you want a bold, highly visible card, choose the larger, full cover style. You can switch between formats anytime, so feel free to try a couple and see which one makes your card easiest to recognize. You'll also see text color combinations that pair with your image. These options adjust the overlay and text contrast to keep your card title readable against the picture. Pick the combination that keeps your card name clear, especially if your image is bright or busy. If you decide you don't want a cover on the card, click Remove Cover. This keeps the attachment on the card but removes it from the front of the card on the board. To bring the image back as the cover, click the image again in the card and set it as the cover once more. When you're happy with the settings, close the panel with the X so you can focus on the content. If you want to view the image itself, click the photo inside the card. This opens a larger preview so you can check details. Along the bottom of the viewer, you'll see controls to open the image in a new tab, download it to your device, remove it as the cover, or delete it entirely. Open in new tab is helpful for sharing or zooming. Download saves a local copy. Remove cover keeps the file but hides it from the board view. If you need to delete the image, click Delete. Trello will ask you to confirm, so click Delete again to finish. This removes the image from the card, and if it was set as a cover, it will also disappear from the board view. That's it. You've added an image to a Trello card, adjusted how it appears on the board, chosen a readable text style, and learned how to preview, download, remove the cover, or delete the image. Use these steps to make your cards more visual, easier to scan, and faster to understand at a glance. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat the process on any card where a picture would help communicate the task.